Nguo niyo nyamu ya githaka ya mbere kwirikana ati niyo iroraga andu makiria. Ugwati uyu wa Kenya gutharikirwo kionekana icigirira-ini cia maria maihuire. Riboti makiria ikionania gatagati ka mwaka wa 2017 na mwaka wa 2020 Akenya matanyihire 388 ni makuire kuumana na itharikira riri ria nyamu. Guku nao 2080 magitigwo makihonia nguraro njuru.
Crops damage 4,135 and then property 300. So in the evening, in certain times, they would like to look for pasture for their food. And so because of the increased water level, you will find that there's a reduction in the pasture because most of the food they would have relied on is already submerged, and therefore they will move out. And so when they move out, definitely they will be closer to where people live. So this is how conflict arises.
Gukinyeria riu thirikari huthirite ciringi bilioni 1.6 kuriha ngarama kuri aria matharikirwo ni nyamu ici, ona gutuika iri na thiri wa ciringi milioni 608. Uyu ni mwandiki mukaru wa maria maturigiceirie Professor Fred Sigor.
This year 2020-2021 we are 524, so we should be able to be done with most of it. And therefore, after we are through with that 608 million, we will now look at these other pending cases from 2017 to 2020.
Na gicaka ya wongerereku wa andu gukuhi na kuria nyamu ici ciikaraga, augite ati kiu nikio gitumi kinene kia andu gutharikirwo nicio.
You will find that the space which has been for many years occupied by animals are reducing. So there is a competition between human and wildlife in terms of space. As we increase in population, as human beings, it's expected that we increase in terms of land size. So most likely, the culprit or the consequence of this is that we reduce the land which was meant for wildlife. And so because of that reduced land, you will find that we will be moving towards where wildlife live, and therefore there will be conflict.
Riu ministry ya maria maturigiceirie iri mihango-ini ya gwetha kambuni ingirugamirira ngarama ya aria matharikirwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.